Hi, I'm Jason Houtsma, guitar instructor for worshipartistry.com. In this YouTube video, we're going to be taking a look at the walkthrough section for the song I Surrender by All Sons and Daughters. Now this is just part of a full lesson where we have a solo acoustic arrangement. We've got all the rhythm, tabs, charts, everything that you need to play the song, along with electric guitar lesson, bass, drums, and keys. And if you want to check that out, you can get a free account. Just click that W in the lower right-hand corner and get over. But if you just want to stay on YouTube, let's go ahead and dive in. We first come in on the instrumental, coming out of that first chorus, so we're just going to start right there. And the main thing to watch for is each one of these choruses has a slight change to it. So just be aware that those are coming up. I'll try and call them out as we go, but it just kind of helps the song build dynamically. All right, let's take it from that instrumental. 2, 3, 4, C. I just want to groove this through. Verse 2, take my life, sacrifice, you alone is fine. Here I empty, to owe this world nothing, find everything in you. Oh, find everything in you. 2, 3, 4, and I surrender. I surrender. I surrender all to you. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender all to you. 2, 3, not my will. We're going to drop here. You notice there was a 2 bar at the end there. No, that's why the accent is off. 3, 4, yours alone, nothing else. 2, 3, but you, oh Lord. 1, 2, everything in you. 1, 2, one strum here, not my will. 2, 3, 4, but yours be done, not my strength, but yours alone, nothing else, but you, oh Lord. I find everything in you. 2, 3, 4, and I. All right, here's all the changes. I surrender. I surrender all to you. Here we go. I surrender. I surrender. I surrender all to you. One more time. And I surrender. I surrender. I surrender all to you. So you notice how, because we went that 2 bar again, that all comes back in, and we're right on beat again. And that's pretty much it. You actually drop before those last couple chord changes, but I wanted to point out, because the song goes back and forth between using a 2 bar, it throws off that accent for a second, and then it brings it back in. So it ends up landing right in the right spot, which is kind of fun. All right, if you feel like you have it at that speed, you've got it. So try it along with the music video. Otherwise, if you're leading it by yourself, let's take a look at that solo acoustic section.